Thank you everyone. It is nice to introduce myself, Subhadeep Karmakar, MSc Physics. I am showing necessary apparatus for the measuring of dielectric constant of cyclohexane and dipole moment of acetone. It is digital multimeter. It is the measuring jar with the cylindrical capacitor inside. It is the measuring jar. It is the cyclohexane. This is acetone. And this is the some distilled water. And this is the tissue paper. Now I measure 100 ml of cyclohexane by using measuring jar and put it in this jar. Rest of 3 jars I also add 100 ml of cyclohexane and I will mix 10 ml, 15 ml, 20 ml acetone with these 3 jars. Now I start the experiment. At first I put the chair here, then place the cylindrical capacitor on it. Next I join the wire of the capacitance measuring box with the end of the cylindrical capacitor and put another wire of the capacitance measuring box on the cylindrical capacitor and measuring the value of V0. Now I turn on the power and also turn on the capacitance measuring box switch. After that I inserted the voltage output wire into the DMM and start the DMM. This is the value of V0 visible in DMM screen. After that, I inserted the wire into the free side of the cylindrical capacitor for measuring the value of V air. This is my V air value. Next step, I have pure cyclohexane. I fit a nozzle into the cyclohexane jar. Now I add this cyclohexane through a small hole present on the surface of the cylindrical capacitor. But keep in mind one thing, that cyclohexane does not touch the wall of the capacitor. After filling 10 ml of cyclohexane in the cylindrical capacitor, then measuring the value which is shown in DMM. Then successively taking 20 ml, 30 ml and respectively 80 ml and measuring the corresponding voltage in DMM. The completion of measuring pure cyclohexane, I drain it out from the cylinder. Then I leave the cylinder dry for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I take previously mixed 100 ml of cyclohexane with 10 ml, 15 ml and 20 ml acetone in different jars to get the corresponding voltage as same as previous process. Now using this data, I can construct a graph milliliter versus voltage and I calculate the slope and intercept from the curve. Then I need to put the value of the slope and intercept in the final equation. I get electronics polarizability denoted as alpha, dielectric constant, and the finally dipole moment of acetone molecules. Thank you.